Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today we're creating these Farmhouse Easter gift baskets, and I will be showing you where I purchased some of the items and exactly what I will be filling these baskets with. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you haven't already, I would love it if you'd subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. Okay, so here are some of the items. I'm giving you an overall look at everything that I purchased, and it's a combination haul of the Dollar Tree as well as Walmart. And as you can see, I've gathered a couple of different types of eggs, chickens or chicks, and then these cute little carrots. And I bought all of those three at the Dollar Tree for $1. And then I got these cute little candy ball machines, or gumball machines at Walmart. And then I got different colored of grasses. I got these not this year but last year, and I have been using them throughout the year for other projects as well. And those were 98 cents a piece. And then I had some clear bags and some cute little rabbit bags. This is a set of 4. And then I also decided to fill my baskets with a couple of additional items since we're going to kids or children. I wanted to go ahead and fill them with other kinds of goodies as well, not just candy. And so out of my stash, I got some of the stickers, and these I bought a couple years back, and they have a combination of little tiny eggs as well as like little flowers, so a spring type. So one of my first baskets is this one made out of carrots, and it's actually made out of felt, very thick felt, and it's very cute, as well as this bunny basket that I bought at the Dollar Tree. All of my baskets were purchased at Dollar Tree, and as you can see, they're very cute. Once I originally bought the rabbit baskets, I completely fell in love with them. So as you can see, I've used them. And then of course, I also purchased a big bag of those eggs at Walmart. Comes in a set of 48 eggs, and now all I am doing is going ahead and filling in my baskets with different colors of filling. And then the candy that you see here is candy that I purchased at Costco. I bought a really big bag of candy, and so you'll see me here going ahead and filling the different baskets and trying to somewhat color coordinate some of the items, because 2 of the baskets will be for 2 little girls, and the one for the carrots will be for a little boy. Now that we've completed our baskets, here's our end product. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please feel free to go ahead and put them in the comments below. I thank you very much for watching.